elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that, it's so
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am Ashley.Adkinson. In this video, I'm doing something just like a little bit different. It's kind of like a throwback for me, nostalgic, because if you watch any of my old videos, you know I love a U-part wig. They just got the job done. I used to do my own sew-ins, so when I found out about U-part wigs, I fell in love and they took over. So in this video, I decided to purchase a pre-made U-part wig from Unice, because one of the reasons I don't get y'all a lot of video now is because I do not like doing hair anymore. So when companies offer stuff like this, I hop on it. I ain't gonna say I hop on it because this is my first time actually getting a U-part wig from a company, but I wanted to see if it was giving what it's supposed to give. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so much easier to buy something that's pre-made than to make it myself. It's just very timely to do that. So I wanted to show you guys my thoughts about this U-part wig, so stay tuned for the review. So I have this doing this thing right here, and to me the wig just does not feel secure. It don't even feel like it's on my head, honestly. I don't know, this might be a wig that I might have to sew on. The placement of the clips is not right. The flatness is actually superb, because I don't know what's going on with the fit, especially in the back. The back feels bananas. It's giving natural, like it's giving, baby, this is my hair. Giving blowout, like it reminds me of my hair. This hair does not straighten out as textured as I would have expected it to. It was supposed to be yak. It's giving a little like Brazilian straight. It's not 100% yucky once it's straightened. It gives you that, you know, little weird kinky texture when it's when you first get it, but it's not really giving that same energy once it's straightened. I feel like it need to be cut.
A few moments later.
So first and foremost, I'm very disappointed in this wig. Number one, I did expect this to be like my everyday hair. I wanted this to be like an everyday wig. I wanted it to be about 16 inches, you know, not too long, not too short. It's going to give me my natural hair vibes. It's supposed to be a yucky / kinky texture. So this is my hair at the top. Of course, it's a U-part, but you can see the difference. This hair straightens out very silky. It's not really that coarse. It's just not giving what I wanted it to give. I just expected so much more from this wig, being as though it was like a kinky texture. So I was just like, oh yeah, this is gonna be fire, a nice little everyday joint. Nah, it's just not, it ain't really doing it for me. Let's pull her up. Having the comb start back here, like what you supposed to do with this? What you supposed to do with that? Like, you know what I'm saying? The comb should start at the edge, especially if this is supposed to be like a wig that you can just take on and off. Same with this, like this wig is huge, okay, first of all, and I appreciate the adjustable straps, but I just don't think it works for this wig. I'm just gonna be honest. Comb back here, wig right here, like it's hair right here, so the comb should be right here, so that, you know, or maybe not have that much extra cap, because now I gotta tuck this extra cap behind my ear. You know what I'm saying? Like that's flipping up. Like it's not, the construction of this wig was not done well at all. Like they could have taken the time to do this way better. I can do something with it because of who I am, But if somebody else got this wig, like a beginner, I do think they would be struggling because this wig is huge. Like, y'all, this wig is not even, the only thing that's secure are these two combs right here. I ain't gonna keep talking y'all head off. Buy at your own risk. Unice, Unice, however you say it. I honestly recommend reconstructing your wig. It doesn't make any sense. Like, y'all, my wig ain't, like, it's just sitting on my head at this point. It's not secure at all. So I just want to be honest, you know, it has potential. If they reconstruct it and they place the combs in the right places, they get all this excess cap out of here. I don't even know what else, like, could help this. The back is still flapping up. So I don't know, maybe y'all made this cap huge. I don't know. Do some research on these wigs, y'all, because it's too many videos out here on YouTube for companies to be sending out wigs that don't fit up to par. It's supposed to be convenient. Like, I didn't order bundles so that I could make a wig. I trusted in you to supply me a wig that's gonna give what it's supposed to give. Y'all really need to sit down and think about the construction of these U-part units, because they not it. I wonder if other companies' U-part units are better. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I'll see y'all next video.